Hey y'all, Pawpaw here, back with another Outdoors with Pawpaw review. Today, we're going to be reviewing this little guy here, the TEMU digital camcorder. So let's get into it. All right, first of all, we've got the box. It says it's a 16 megapixel max with a CMOS sensor, 1080p, HD photo, full 1080p HD, 2.4 LCD. It says HD video cam. You got all of your descriptions of it there. Pretty much the same thing there. So the box is pretty generic. So let's see what we've got in the box. We've got our charging cord. That is a pretty old USB charger. I hadn't seen one of those in a long time. We have our SD card. And our adapter. Pretty generic adapter, no printing on it. 32 gig micro SD. We'll see how good it works. Our charging brick. AC/DC adapter. We have our microphone. And she is pretty basic. Have our audio cable for the microphone. We have our wide angle lens. We have our battery. 3.7 volt, 600 milliamp battery. If I'm not mistaken, I do believe this is the same battery they used to use in the old Game Boys. And then we have our camera. Man, this thing is light. Almost feels like I just picked up a Happy Meal toy. Plastics, pretty cheap. It does have a swivel screen for vlogging. It's got your mount for your camera or for your microphone. Got your play button or power button. It's going to be your record and picture button. T and W. So this is both cameras, 16 megapixel camcorder and a 16 megapixel front camera on my cell phone. No wide angle lens. Now what I'm seeing in the screen, kind of hard to show at the moment, but I will show you, is how jumpy the video is. Let's try zooming in. That's max zoom. That's all the way out. Let's put the wide angle lens on, see if it changes anything. Alright, this is with the wide angle lens. Gonna pan around. Try zooming in again. Sixteen times zoom. Alright. So this is your camcorder. All put together. Mic on it. I don't like the fact that you got this little cover that's got to be open whenever you've got the mic hooked up. I don't like the fact that you've got all of this cable hanging when you're trying to record and film. You know, the screen on the camera is kind of jumpy. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of jumpy whenever you're moving it around. One thing I have noticed, whenever you flip the screen around for the selfie or vlogging, y'all see something wrong here. We're trying to get a good shot of it. Kind of hard to tell. There we go. You're upside down in the shot. Makes it real hard to position the camera for a good shot. And this is with the wide angle lens. You know, the wide angle isn't terrible. I don't like how it's upside down. It makes it hard to figure out which way to turn it to get a good shot. So, I've already done some recording with it. You know, I've got it recording right now. I went back and looked back over the video. I'm not too crazy about the audio. I'm really not crazy about the video. It's a cheap camera. It might come in handy in a pinch, but if you want to do good quality recording while you're outdoors, family, making memories, it's not going to do quality recording. It's jumpy, it's grainy, the audio's not great. You get what you pay for. I didn't pay much for it. I think it was like 30 bucks. Yeah, like I said earlier, kind of feels like about the quality of a Happy Meal toy. You know, if you want something for your kids, it might be a good thing for a kid to play with. Yeah, it's a cheap camera. If it gets damaged, you're not out a bunch of money. But all in all, you don't want to use it as an everyday outdoor camera for recording your adventures, your fishing trips, your hunting trips. You probably don't want to record your family reunions with it, but it's not that great of a camera. It feels like a toy, honestly. It works like a toy. So, my overall review for the TEMU camcorder, digital camcorder. You get what you pay for, like I said. It's not great, it's not terrible. Would I use it to film YouTube videos? No, I will not use it to film YouTube videos. I probably will be returning it to get my money back, or I'll give it to one of my grandkids for a toy. So there you have it. My take on the TEMU camcorder. If you've got any budget camera recommendations, or maybe a camera that won't click or clutter whenever you zoom in, or clunk or whatever, drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's what helps us keep doing these videos, help me keep doing these reviews. Click that notification bell, that way you get informed every time I upload a new review or a new video. But as far as the TEMU camcorder, that's about all I've got to say about it. This is Pawpaw saying, y'all have a good one, and we'll see you next time.